wish you a Merry Christmas. When Jesus was born, a different star appeared in the sky. 3 wise men followed the sign and discovered that the king had been born. Everyone bowed to the king. In our lives, we must follow the light that will lead us to our Savior. 3 wise men bring presents to our Savior. This Christmas, we must abandon all of our bad habits and begin new ones. Luke 2:11 says, "For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord." லூக்கா அதிகாரம் 2 வசனம் 11. இன்று தாவீதின் நகரத்தில் உங்களுக்காக ஒரு இரட்சகர் பிறந்திருக்கிறார். அவர் கர்த்தர் கிறிஸ்து.
లూకా సువార్త 2వ అధ్యాయం 11వ వచనం. దావీదు పట్టణమందు నేడు రక్షకుడు మీ కొరకు పుట్టియున్నాడు. ఈయన ప్రభువైన క్రీస్తు.
Lucas 2:11 en español. Hoy les ha nacido en la ciudad de David un Salvador, que es Cristo el Señor. Lucas 2, 11 sa Tagalog. Sapagkat isinilang sa inyo ngayon sa bayan ni David ang isang tagapagligtas na siyang si Kristo na Panginoon.